Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Tas Dia, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this review is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. So Tas Dia promotes itself as a source for free Robux giveaway, usually through Tumblr posts and sketchy looking redirects. It sounds super tempting, but here's the thing. There are no Trustpilot reviews, no real user feedback, and zero signs of legitimacy from credible sources. In fact, according to this article, the site shows several red flags. These include questionable redirects, unclear ownership, and tactics often used by scam websites to collect data or trick users into taking surveys without ever giving the promised Robux. For the final verdict, Tas Dia doesn't look trustworthy, there's no proof that anyone's actually received Robux from it, and the site's structure just raises too many red flags. It's best to steer clear and avoid giving out your Roblox username or personal information. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.